team's working on the rugs, and then we're going to the dump. Welcome to the channel, the show. I'll give you a preview before we head to the dump. It's gonna be a small dump run because we got to get the truck cleared out for Monday. We have a full load of delivering on Monday. So this is what we got going on so far. We got the lighting going on in here. Team, this is turning out to be a great project that the lighting people are doing. We got the artwork going up. You could start to see that's going to start hanging. This is a good piece over here. Check this out. Now if you're going to do a job like this, you're going to need at least 10 people to 13. You're going to need 2 supervisors for sure. You're going to need 2 people hauling out trash all the time. You saw how many boxes in there. We got another video coming up where there's a lot of boxes. So also we have a picture that tells you where the actual piece is going. You got the lighting crews here. You can see how this is all shaping up. And then you're looking at one of the hardest pieces to do right there, right in front of your face. Place looks amazing. You can see how everything came together right here, and it's still a work of art. We're not going to show the back of the house because you guys don't care about the back of the house anyway. There's your desk. There's a setup with these mirrors. And the couch. Check how beautiful that looks. It's coming together.
Take it from the top.
Alright, we're at the dump right now. We got the team. What's your prediction on the dump fee, fellas?
$20.
I got 14. I got 17. He's got 20. What do you got there?
I'll take 17 and a quarter.
We'll see who wins and who gets the receipt. See you in a sec. Alright, this is what we got ahead of us, folks. Just not a bad load, except some jackwagon threw in the lunch into the patch, so we're gonna get all this off, pull it off, and get it the hell out of here. Yeah, piss and vinegar. Woo! The life of a junker. We got 3 of us. Doo, 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 doo. There's your view of the ship. Look at all the seagulls. There they go. The state bird. Garbage. Welcome to the dump. Got anything to say, John? Yeah? Yeah, that hog right there just hit me with the freaking thing right there. And guess who won the dump fee? Mice Pay! You got it right here. Dump fee, $17. Oh! Dude, you just hit me in the head, dog. What's up with that? Filthy hogs not to freaking throw their lunch stuff in here, and they threw an apple core in there. I know we're junkers, man, but freaking apple core, man, come on. This isn't that bad of a job. Snuck in us their freaking lunch trash. That's what they did to us. Now they dumped it. They thought they were funny, and they put all their lunch food in there, and now that's why the U-Haul smells like freaking ish. Yep.